watching 80 people plus working together as a team, and I screwed up. I'm gonna start over. Keep rolling, and I'll be on that blooper reel.
No. Cut it. Cut. That's take one. Oh, you're still rolling this whole time, so I'm going like this and you're rolling?
A lot of bloopers.
Do not!
Okay.
Oh, did I do something?
Oh, no, you're fine. I'm just gonna tuck it under.
Okay. Oh, I see.
All right. All right, we're ready.
Ooh, sorry. Gotta get it out.
I have to eat breakfast. That's a problem in the company that nobody eats?
I like chicken nuggets tossed in buffalo sauce and top of the kale.
John, John, Aynes, Aynes.
Try your best
Not to move the chair, yes. Let me just shut her
Oh,
door.
wait, hold on. Wait. Sorry, you're connected.
Oh, Patricia. Sorry, I forgot I was connected.
I know my chair rolled.
It's okay.
Is that better?
So if you can say and spell your first and last name.
My name is Stephen Smith.
And can you spell it? Like what
Oh, spell it.
My name is Alex Schiavone, or Alexandra. Do you want your full name?
Do I say hello? No. Talk to you. Do I speak now? Jared Gonzalez. Do I have to spell my whole last name?
Am I looking at you or the camera?
Hi, I'm Kim. Welcome to Wilmington. Oh, I'm sorry.
Is anybody good at these? Like really good?
Oh, it's funny because I'm sitting here right now and I like watch you guys on the computer at the other stations, and I'll be like, well, I wonder if they're ever going to come to Columbia, and what would they focus on if they did?
There's really nothing much to do here.
I won't lie, there's not a lot to do in Oklahoma.
We happen to be home to the National Pigeon Museum, so come on down and see that.
I did not know that one.
Neither did I till recently.
Here we are, broken umbrella. Everything goes right all the time.
Is that beeping noise going to interfere? All right, yeah, they're going to tow this in. It's going to get cold again. With the noise, it might ruin what we're trying to do. Let's just start over. So now we're in the... I was trying to say something more clever than cabin. I don't know why I just don't say cabin. As you can see. No, John, I had it till you said that. I really did, John.
No, it's just someone went through the security. Go on like that for a while, I hate to tell you.
Trina, go tell me to be quiet.
Yeah, if you want to just pick it up and set it down, that might cut it short a little bit.
Hey, Patricia, I think your phone's ringing.
Sorry.
I'm really hearing a lot of pilot stories because...
So a lot of people may probably talk about, oh, sorry.
Flight delays and all that stuff. But what we can't control is the service that we provide them. And I just hit the microphone. Sorry.
These are a really, really great group of people.
Darryl Johnson, D-A-R-R.
It's the airport for...
It's energy. Do you go back and edit all that, I guess?
There's a lot of Spanish-speaking members on our... It seemed so quiet when we first got over here. We have a lot of... Sorry, it keeps throwing me and then I lose my train of thought.
Yeah. I better study them up.
No, you're good.
Add value to American Airlines? Was that the beginning? Okay.
Yeah, because I'm not gonna remember that. Add value to American Airlines.
Add value. You say it and then I'm going to say it after you.
I can't get past the first word. Add value?
You really should have like a paper.
Add value to American Airlines by adding...
You were very close.
I know it, say it again.
By running, oh my God, can I write that down?
By being a safe, by running a safe, I lost it.
By running, shoot.
By providing. Providing. I don't think you have it right.
Safe, reliable, profitable. This is harder than the questions.
Profitable and reliable. I forgot what it was.
Safe, profitable.
Profitable, reliable. Okay. I had to reverse the words.
That's like a tongue twister. All right. Safe, profitable.
safe, reliable, and profitable airline.
You were close.
I was close. Shoot!
By running a safe, reliable, and profitable airline. Oh. Why do I want to say airline?
A safe, reliable, profitable airline company. Jesus Christ.
And profitable operation.
Add value to American Airlines by running a safe, reliable, and profitable company.
Wow.
It's the best anyone's ever
Yeah. You did so well.